Hey guys, I'm playing Don't Touch the Button with Jamie. Say hi. Well, Cloudy, his name's Cloudy. Hey guys. Yeah, today. I died. No. They cheated. They cheated. They cheated, Cloudy. Okay, we gotta reach the bottom. Okay, that's pretty easy. Hey, Cloudy, here's your coin. Oh, clouds. Yeah, I think these guys are my coins, but they aren't. The clouds, just like you. And this is Roblox. Anything that I've. Oh my God! Oh wait, we want, dude. Yay! We won. We won. Who won? Me and Cloudy did. Yep, we did. Rob the bank. What? We gotta do it. But what if we go to jail? Well, we're in jail. And we go to jail. Oh. Man, that was so. Okay. Summer. Blah, blah. But see, this is why I don't like it. Yeah, me too. God. No, God. There's a. Give me back the ball. Hey yo. No more. Got it. No, I want to touch it. Touch the button. I'm gonna touch it, Cloudy. No! Touch it. Yeah, I touched the button. What? I didn't even touch it. I didn't even touch it. See, I did. Okay, I didn't touch it. Oh my God, we did it, Cloudy! Yay, we did it! What the heck happened? That was so fast, dude. Oh, no, man, we gotta hide from God. Oh, no! We gotta run, dude! Oh my God, that was closer. Another bomb! No! Oh, that was so close, Cloudy. Yeah, that was. Oh my God, dude. That just looks so good. Wait a minute. Take her. 911. Dudes, everybody get under. Yeah, everybody get under. Oh God, that was so close, Cloudy. Yeah, I know. There's a cat. Summer. Oh God. Oh God. That was so close. That was so close. That was so close. Oh my God, that was so scary, Cloudy. I know, right? Oh no. Oh wait, I think I might be good at this. Oh shoot. Okay, we can't. Okay, so that pink lava is flowing. But how is there pink lava? And you're gonna say how? Yeah, and you're a talking cloud. Yeah, that is true. That's kind of weird sometimes. Oh shoot. Oh God, that was so close, dude. That was so close. Yeah, that was. Okay. Okay. I'm so scared. That was so scared, Cloudy. Yeah, that was. God, that was so scary. Oh God, oh yeah, my name is Chase and Cloudy. Oh, what the heck happened? No, that was cheating. No one saw that coming. Yeah, that was so cheating. No one even saw that. Okay, get off. Whoa! No, that was so impossible. Yeah, that was. Dang it. But yay, I pressed the button. Me and Cloudy pressed the button. And what do you? Oh shoot. Oh, what do they mean? Oh. Wow, those are big snowballs. Hey, yo. Hey, not like that. I saw somebody's body break. Yeah, me too. That was so close. That was the closest thing. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. No, it's like how much. some other color, so I couldn't die. No! 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 Ah! Yeah. Okay. This is the end of the video. Goodbye. Bye. We'll probably see you in